She was into you until you looked away, and just like that, she lost interest. You didn't say anything wrong. You didn't act needy. You didn't even mess up the conversation. But something happened in that split second, something silent, something invisible, and now she's cold, she's distant, she's done. Here's what most men don't understand. Attraction isn't killed by what you say, it's killed by what you communicate without saying a word. And there's one thing that destroys it faster than anything else, but we'll get to that. Eye contact is the oldest language on earth. Before words, before touch, before anything, it's how humans decided friend or threat, weak or strong, safe or dangerous. And women, they're reading you the entire time, not with their ears, with their instincts. Every second you hold her gaze or break it or shift it, you're telling her a story about who you are, about whether you're confident or scared or trying too hard. Pay attention. She gives you eye contact, a little longer than normal. She smiles, she's interested. And this is where most men fail, not because they don't care, but because they don't know. They think eye contact is just looking, but it's not. It's a test, and if you fail it, she won't tell you. She'll just lose attraction, silently. Here's the first mistake that kills everything: staring too long. You think you're showing confidence, you think you're being bold, but here's what she feels: pressure, intensity, aggression. When you lock eyes and don't break, even for a second, it doesn't feel romantic. It feels uncomfortable, like you're trying to dominate her, like you're too invested. And here's the part most men never realize. She won't say, "Hey, you're staring too much." She'll just pull back. She'll check her phone. She'll look somewhere else, and you will think she lost interest. But the truth, you pushed her away without knowing it. But that's not even the worst one. The second mistake: breaking eye contact too fast. This one's sneaky because it feels like you're being respectful, like you're not trying too hard. But here's what her brain registers. He's nervous, he's uncomfortable, he doesn't think he's good enough for me. When you break eye contact the moment she looks at you, you just told her subconscious, "I'm lower value than you." And attraction, it dies right there. She might still talk to you, she might even laugh, but that spark, that tension, gone. Now here's the part she'll never admit. Women want you to hold eye contact. Not in a creepy way, not in a staring contest way, but just long enough to show you're not afraid of her, long enough to create tension, that slight discomfort, that electric moment where neither of you looks away. That's not awkward, that's chemistry. But most men kill it because they panic. They think, "This is too much, I need to look away." And she feels it. She feels your fear. And now, the third mistake, the one that separates boys from men: looking away in the wrong direction. Listen carefully. When you break eye contact, where you look matters. If you look down, you just submitted. You told her, "I'm beneath you." If you look side to side, nervously scanning the room, you told her, "I'm anxious, I'm insecure." But if you look away slowly, to the side, or even slightly up, with no rush, with no panic, you just told her, "I'm comfortable, I'm in control, I'm not chasing you." And that changes everything. The Stoic doesn't try to win her over with his eyes. He doesn't calculate every glance. He doesn't overthink. He simply exists in the moment, calm, present, unshaken. When she looks at him, he holds it, not because he's trying to dominate, but because he's not afraid of connection. And when he looks away, it's natural, effortless, no submission, no fear, just a man who knows his worth. And she feels that, She always does, because confidence isn't loud, it's quiet, it's steady. It's in the way you breathe, the way you move, the way you hold space without needing to prove anything. Here's the truth most men will never accept. She doesn't lose attraction because you're not good enough. She loses it because you don't believe you are. And she can see it in every glance, in every hesitation, in every time you look away too soon or hold on too long. Your eyes are telling her a story. The question is, what story are you telling? So now I want to hear from you. Have you ever caught yourself making one of these mistakes? Drop a comment. Let's talk about it.